Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to use PaySafeCard on Epic Games. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Epic Games. So open up Epic Games and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, just choose anything that you want to purchase and then just add it to your cart so that you can purchase it. For example, I'm going to choose this game here, so I'm going to go and buy now. So add it to your cart and then make an order so that you can check out. So when you get to this checkout option here, this checkout page here, so what you're going to do, if you want to scroll down, you will see under the checkout option, you will see the different types of payment methods, like other payment methods. So simply scroll down and all you have to do here is simply select PaySafeCard. So select PaySafeCard, okay. So you simply select PaySafeCard and then hit on place order, and then this will ask you for your credentials to log in on PaySafeCard if you have created an account. So just give that credentials and then complete the order, and then your PaySafeCard will be used to make these orders. So just keep in mind that there is a payment processing fee here. So depending on your region, you will have a certain amount of fee charged for PaySafeCard. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Just select PaySafeCard and then click on place order and proceed with the order completion. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.